Hey guys, it's Jessica again. So today I'm really excited about this project. We're going to be doing a wood staining project, but with a little bit of a variation. We're actually going to be using acrylic paints instead of the traditional wood stains, and we're going to dilute them in water, in some cases not even have to do that, in order to achieve a really cool finished look that you can use for all sorts of applications, for little projects throughout the house, or even DIY furniture projects. And we're going to basically be taking plain pieces of wood like this and using acrylic paints and turning it into something beautiful like this. And I'll show you a lot of different colors and applications for that along the way, because sometimes in stores, unfortunately, we don't have a lot of color options when it comes to wood stain. So this kind of opens up a whole nother world in terms of how you can apply colors, mix custom colors, do whatever you'd like, and really use some stuff that you may already have around the house. So I'm really excited to get started, and let's go ahead. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and use all the colors of the rainbow to really show what each one looks like. Now, of course, you can go ahead and mix colors like you normally would for any art project. The idea is the more you would like to see the wood grain, the thinner you want to apply the paint. So if you really want to get a good wood grain look, you want to go ahead and dilute the paint a little bit before brushing it on. And of course, once you brush it on, you want to take a paper towel or a rag and go ahead and wipe that color off pretty much almost immediately. And here you can see that you can easily use two colors to create a striped pattern. Although we're diluting the colors, it still allows you enough control that you can create these colors next to each other and still touch them up and create patterns by doing it. The key here is really dependent on how much of the color you would like to wipe off and how much of that wood grain you would like to shine through. All right, so now that you kind of see the process that we go through to get some of these results, I would like to go ahead and show you some of the applications that I've actually used this for over the years. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it gives you a bunch of really cool ideas that maybe you can apply for your projects. So now that I've shown you the process of using acrylic paints to do all different types of projects, I want to show you how I actually used it to actually do a present for my mom. So this is going to be the finished product. It might help if I keep that seahorse upright. And so just hang in, check out the next part, and enjoy. Okay, so now that we have gone ahead and we've sketched out the drips, I've chosen a bronze metallic paint to go ahead and do the framing to create a nice border. That way, when we add the acrylic paint, this aqua, and we have a nice light finish, you'll see the nice contrast in between. Hey again! So we're at the end of the video. Hope you had a blast learning how to use acrylics to do all sorts of different stuff around the house and make all these beautiful colors that you're going to be able to make in the future and turn it into some real practical presents like this. These are some lids for my mom's kitchen. And so if you like, please make sure that you click like, go ahead and hit subscribe, and go ahead and check that little bell as well because it will give you notifications for all the videos in the future. And thanks guys for coming back again. Have a great rest of your day.